Okay, electrified Cogburn. So it's been not too bad. We got to do a better job with the wiring and stuff. Get the wiring all zip tied, but here we go. Watch this.
Wow, impressive. That's great.
And we got all the wires hooked up so that when you put the pedals on, that cuts out the motor. We got a little throttle here. We got pedal assist here. I don't think we have much battery. I think we're gonna have to maybe. Yeah, we have a little battery. We need to charge it. What do you think, Sonny?
I think it's pretty good. It'll be fun.
Man, did you want to take it for a little spin?
That'll be good.
Okay, you got two lights here. You got a back light. Okay, this was the BBSHD kit, and it was actually not that bad to put in. I had to learn a lot about modern bikes. I haven't done any bike work since I was about 15. So once we figured out how to dismantle everything, this kit, I could probably do a second one in about 2-3 hours. It was really quite easy to put in. Okay, this thing is, bike is a lot of fun. It's dark, so we didn't get very good footage, but I'm surprised by the power. It's 1,000 watts, 750 to 1,000 watts, looks almost a horsepower. And I've got the 36T Lekkie Bling Ring as a front chain, so it's got a lot of torque. So it's not really set up for super speed. It's set up for being able to pull and go up hills, and it's quiet, it's powerful. It's got about a 30-mile range. I think this thing is going to be the caribou hunting miracle, and the only thing I'm thinking about is maybe I need to buy another one to get two bikes set up like this. Because I used to be worried that, I couldn't keep up with my kids. Now I'm wondering if they can keep up with me. So see the first footage, and we'll have lots more about this bike as time goes on. We just have to clean up the wires and put in the little magnetic sensor for speed. It has a governing thing where it won't allow you to go too fast. It's quite a rig. BBSHD on the Cogburn Fatbike. I'm also really tempted to put that on my Surly Pugsley. I think it would work really well on the Pugsley as well. So fun, lots of fun. Battery.